Rich, it looks like you're looking back just a bit for us.
Yeah, you know, on this final day of June, we only have had 0.8 of an inch of rain for the month. The deficit is 2.88. The normal rain is 3.68, so we'll end in a deficit for the month, and this will be the 6th consecutive June that has ended with below normal precipitation. Going back last year, 179, 116, and 23. We came close in 2021 at 3.59. The driest June ever was in 1911 when we had no rain, not even a trace. Pollens today, grass, hickory, mold all low. Grass is lower, hickory the same as it was the last 2 days, and the mold count is a little bit higher at over 5,700 mold spores counted. Lows today were in the low to mid 70s. Austin missing from the map. 74 was the low at Camp Mabry today, and that is normal. We'll peak at 93 to 97 on the highest end today, summit around 91 to 92, but will average the normal, which is 95. Current heat index finds heat indices in the 90s from I-35 eastward, mostly the 80s in the hill country. We'll find triple-digit heat indices from I-35 eastward early afternoon, and then peaking at around 2:30 over the eastern part of our viewing area before some rain moves in. I anticipate that Austin's heat index will be the same on the highest end as it was yesterday at 103. And really just isolated to scattered showers, an isolated to scattered thunderstorm, wrapping up with the loss of daytime heating at about the time the sun goes down. Lower chance of rain for Tuesday. Most of the rain will stay away. Our model here is rather consistent and rather bullish too on the potential for some rain across Blanco, Gillespie, Llano, and Mason counties at 5 a.m. on Wednesday, lasting until about the noon hour. But then even more of this, I think they're being way too aggressive with this because there's really nothing organized headed to the area. But we'll keep a chance of rain in Wednesday's forecast and likely for Thursday as well. 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch on the highest end. There may be a few isolated totals that exceed that. Air quality forecast today is moderate. The reason? Again today we have a little bit of the Saharan dust that has been moving in from the Gulf. We'll continue to see this all the way through about Thursday. There'll be a brief break, and then another plume will come across the sky on Friday into Saturday and Sunday. A 20% chance of showers and storms this afternoon, and that may even be too high. 97 with a south wind at 5 to 15 and higher gusts. We'll stay at 97 tomorrow and Wednesday. A little more cloud cover Wednesday, Thursday. And then for the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, holiday weekend, we'll be in the upper 90s to near 100 each day.